What is up, YouTube? What is up? Hey, it's your girl Edri in the cut, yeah.
Yeah, going ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling, blow, ooh, she no skateboard.
What is up, YouTube? It is your girl Adriana Teray, Adriana, Edri, E, whatever you want to call me, and I'm back with another video for you guys today. As y'all know, I've been just throwing wig videos and frontal videos and all types of videos that had nothing to do with natural hair at y'all these few months, okay? Y'all know I had to make my extra coins, give me some free wigs, some free bundles, but no worries because Adriana is back and we're back with the natural hair because y'all know my hair been on a hiatus. We're back on the natural hair videos and styling videos because my hair tutorials do very well on my channel and I miss it. So we're back to cater to our natural ladies, okay? Well, anybody can do these styles. So y'all better be prepared for the hair videos I'm throwing at y'all this summer. It's too hot to be wearing lace frontals. I will be wearing braids. I will be getting my hair pressed for the first time in a few years. So we got some good videos coming with my natural hair, but we're not gonna do too much talking, okay? So today's video is going to be a top knot bun video. Now I have 2 or 3 of these up on my channel already, but I came across a video on Instagram and I watched it, and this girl had this secret little trick in her video, and I'm about to share it with y'all. So this video is going to be the secret to getting the perfect top knot bun. I love this method, and I'm gonna tell y'all real quick what y'all need, okay? And I gotta take these braids out, but let me tell y'all real quick. So of course y'all gonna need y'all hair brush. Y'all, we got a new toothbrush to use for our edges. We off the bougie baby hair brushes. We need the nitty gritty toothbrush, okay? Period. You're gonna need something to brush your hair out with. Don't mind this. Bristle brush if you use hard, soft, medium, whatever. Some edge control. So today we're using the Edge Beauty edge control. Shop Edge Beauty, period. This is all I use. I don't own any other edge control company in this house. Edge Beauty, period. Y'all go see how this performs. And you're gonna of course need your hair ties, preferably ones that do not have metal on them. That's gonna snatch your hair out, sis. And you're gonna need rubber bands like this or bobby pins. I wish I had bobby pins, but we gonna try to make it work without bobby pins, even though bobby pins are sometimes the holy grail. So I think I'm gonna do a voiceover for this video. Without further ado, we're gonna get right into it.
Now, so here's the trick. You're going to take your rubber band or whatever you're using, and you're going to place it towards the middle or towards like the root or base of your ponytail. Now, this is going to serve as like the silhouette or like the foundation or pedestal for your hair to stand up on. So you're just going to take sections of your hair, if your hair is thick like mine, and you're just going to wrap it around the base where you place that ponytail holder. So make sure that you do it tight enough or you do something that's strong enough to hold it there. And then you're just going to take the rest of your hair and just wrap it around. And then as you saw, I folded the top piece down. And then I'm going to take another rubber band and place it over just to secure it. But that's basically the trick. By placing that ponytail holder right there, you're creating something for your hair to stand on so that it can stand up straight. And then I'm just going to be doing my edges and adding a little bit more edge control to make the hairstyle more sleek. And here's the reveal.
The styling products used in this video were from Edry Beauty, so don't forget to cop y'all some. And the gloss that I'm wearing is Prince from Edry Beauty, so don't forget to shop y'all some. Summer collection coming soon, and so is Edry Nation merch dropping. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up, like, oh, that's thumbs it up, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notification bell so that y'all notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know if you guys knew of this trick before I showed you. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out. Girl Scout. Pow, pow, pow. Mwah.